Welcome to Kidza. Let's learn alphabet beginning sounds from A to Z. Letter A. A for apple. A for angel. A for arrow. A for astronaut. A for alligator. A for axe. A for acorn. A for aeroplane. A for ant. Letter B. B for ball. B for bell. B for box. B for button. B for balloon. B for bat. B for bed. B for bear. B for bee. Letter C. C for cake. C for carrots. C for cow. C for chocolate. C for cup. C for cat. C for candle. C for car. Letter D. D for donut. D for dinosaur. D for dice. D for doll. D for door. D for dress. D for dog. D for duck. Letter E. E for envelope. E for eraser. E for eagle. E for ear. E for egg. E for elbow. E for elephant. E for elf. Letter F. F for fan. F for feet. F for fence. F for fire. F for fish. F for flower. F for football. F for fox. F for fork. Letter G. G for gift. G for gate. G for girl. G for guitar. G for gumballs. G for game. G for garbage. G for goose.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Letter H. H for house. H for hamburger. H for hammer. H for hand. H for hat. H for heart. H for honeycomb. H for hook. Letter I. I for island. I for ice cream. I for ice. I for igloo. I for iguana. I for ill. I for ink pot. I for iron box. Letter J. J for juice. J for jam. J for jar. J for jelly bean. J for jeans. J for jellyfish. J for jack-o'-lantern. J for jacks. Letter K. K for koala. K for kangaroo. K for ketchup. K for key. K for kids. K for king. K for kite. K for kitten. Letter L. L for log. L for ladder. L for ladybug. L for lamp. L for leaf. L for lemon. L for lion. L for lock. Letter M. M for mushroom. M for milk. M for mitten. M for mix. M for monkey. M for moon. M for mop. M for mug. M for mouse. Letter N. N for nuts. N for need. N for neck. N for necklace. N for nest. N for net. N for nose. N for nurse. Letter O. O for oval. O for owl. O for otter. O for oar. O for ostrich. O for octopus. O for orange. O for onion. Letter P. P for pig. P for pumpkin. P for puzzle. P for paint. P for pear. P for pencil. P for pickle. P for pizza.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Letter Q. Q for quilt. Q for quack quack. Q for queen. Q for question mark. Q for question paper. Q for quail. Q for quill. Q for quarter. Letter R. R for rainbow. R for rabbit. R for rat. R for ring. R for rake. R for robot. R for rocket. R for rose. Letter S. S for sun. S for sock. S for soap. S for sock. S for ship. S for six. S for seal. S for sunflower. S for seahorse. Letter T. T for tomato. T for taco. T for top. T for tortoise. T for teapot. T for tie. T for tooth. T for tent. Letter U. U for umbrella. U for umpire. U for underwear. U for unicorn. U for under. U for unicycle. U for up. U for uniform. Letter V. V for van. V for vest. V for vase. V for vegetable. V for volcano. V for wine. V for violin. V for valley. Letter W. W for web. W for window. W for watermelon. W for watch. W for warm. W for wheel. W for whale. W for wheelbarrow. X. X for box. X for six. X for mix. X for fox. X for axe. X for X-ray. X for X-ray fish. X for xylophone. Letter Y. Y for yarn. Y for yam. Y for yo-yo. Y for yak. Y for york. Y for yellow. Y for yacht. Y for yogurt. Letter Z. Z for zebra. Z for zero. Z for zigzag. Z for zip. Z for zoo. Z for zucchini. Z for zinnia. Z for